Okay, this Maytag washer is about 2 years old, just barely 2 years old, and it's already broken. Maytag makes other models. It's basically Whirlpool owns Maytag, Hot Point, and Amanda, and a few other brands. So even if you buy another brand, they're all related. They use the same type of parts and stuff. So this is a Maytag. It's 2 years old. It's commercial technology, and it gives you a 10-year warranty on the drive motor and the wash basket, which will probably never go bad. But I'll show you what went bad on it, and it's not just me. As you can see here, the hinge, the plastic broke off. It became brittle and broke off. And the other side's fine, but I know other people that have the same washer that has the same problems. This gets really brittle and it breaks. You could see it right there. So I got to replace this door. Maytag don't want nothing to know about it. They act like they've never heard of it before, and it's basically the defective part on this washer. So I'm gonna have to replace this lid, and it costs about $200. Problem is, with the lid like that, it won't start up, so you're going to have startup problems. And the only way that I seen online how to fix it was to put a Lego in this little clasp here, and then it's high enough so that the when you close the door, the lid lock actually senses that it's closed. Without that Lego in there, it won't sense that it's closed, and I'm pretty sure because this is all out of alignment now. So we're going to wind up having to get a lid for it. And people have replaced the lid 3 times now on this. And still it breaks. And Maytag doesn't want to do anything about it. All they have to do is create a new piece with metal instead of just brittle plastic here. But it looks like they're not going to cover this 2-year-old washer. So just beware of Maytag products. Better not call Maytag. Because in 2 years you're going to be replacing this lid just like me. So it's a Maytag washer defect.